Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is Farhan Muhammad from FM Technology YouTube channel. I brought you today or I'm back with another YouTube video. When I say YouTube, it talks about how to get YouTube channel ID. So I will show you at least 2 steps to get your YouTube channel ID. So stay tuned until the end. Oh, one more thing. If you are new for this channel, just subscribe and hit bell icon so that you will notified every single video related with YouTube or any technological issues in the future. As well as give this video thumb or like so that many people can use it. Okay guys, we are back. Now let me show you how to get YouTube ID or our YouTube channel ID. So to get it, the first step is we have to go to our profile picture, then your YouTube. Okay, when we come to our YouTube, as you can see around the top in the search bar, it says youtube.com/channel/ and says UCDP and blah blah blah. Okay, let me show you how to get your ID simply. Okay, as you can see around this slash or where it says youtube.com/channel/. After this slash, as you can see around these selected characters are your YouTube ID or your YouTube channel ID. Okay, if this doesn't make sense or if you don't agree with this or if you are in doubt with this method, I will show you another method or the second method that you might agree with me. Okay, to show you second method, we have to go back to our profile picture or profile, then YouTube Studio. After YouTube Studio, then go to setting and then channel, then advanced setting. So now scroll down at the bottom and click on manage. As you can see guys, it redirects you to your YouTube account. So go down until you see advanced setting. So click on that. As you can see around here, our channel ID is here. As you can see guys. So this is how to get your YouTube channel ID in 2 different ways. Okay guys, that's it. We have done. It's all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed with this video. I will see you in another video another time. Till then, take care of yourself.